All right, so I got Joao's email here. Yeah, let's take a look. Then I made an AutoCAD some time ago in a video. Some things may be missing. The montage file. Ooh. Oh, it looks like our 3D print is done. So let me see if this will even open in SolidWorks, because suppress. Oh, rip. It's gonna be empty. Okay, so here's a good little lesson here. I might even like clip this and make it its own standalone video, because people have trouble with this. So you see, Joao wanted to send me an assembly. He sent me the assembly file, so you know that should be good enough, right? You know, why didn't that work? Well, here's the thing. SolidWorks tries to be efficient as it can with the data, and when it does that, it only loads the model data from the SolidWorks parts themselves. So there's actually no data, no 3D model data, I should say, in a SolidWorks assembly file. So when I download this and try to open it, you see it flashed for a second, but it realized that I don't have any of these files on my hard drive because Joao made it. And that's why it comes in as a blank file. So how do you fix this? You know, this is a great little lesson. Like this. So let me get an assembly, like this one. Okay, so here I have a polygon, and I want to send it to, you know, let's say the Discord server, so you can download it and play around with it. It's not enough to just send the assembly file by itself. What you have to do is you go to File, and then you go to Pack and Go. So what Pack and Go does is that it makes this window pop up, and it grabs the assembly file there, but it also grabs all the other files that the assembly depends on. Like, it needs to know where all these files are in order to actually show you the polygon there. So if I hit, actually I should cancel. Should save it somewhere else. Pack and Go. I could save it to, usually what I do is save it to a zip file if I'm trying to send it to someone. And I'll just throw it in this folder. Polygon test. Like that. And so it packages all those files up. And what we'll find, I open up this window. Yeah, now I have a zip file that has all the oop, my Explorer's freaking out a little bit. I was gonna say that has all the files in there and able to save. I might have to restart Explorer. Restart. Yep, that'll happen sometimes. Let's try that again. Show in folder? No, it doesn't like it. Alright, fine. I'll browse to it manually. Twist my arm, why don't you? But yeah, I have this. So you see, instead of just having the assembly there by itself, it picked up all of the things. So now I can go into the Discord, and I can just kind of like, zoop. And anyone who has 2020 can download that and play around with it if they want.